Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing car crash test, which is basically we just play cars and like that we just crash. Yep, that's literally how the game was. And then yeah, and we got these two idiots playing this game.
We got Steve. That's Steve, bro. That's Steve.
Yeah, we got Steve from that video. What the heck? Oh, I'm still standing, guys. I'm still standing even. Oh shit. Alright guys, my whole agenda is now today or not just gonna be a small agenda. What the heck? I make a ball. I'm running, bro. No! Bro, enough with the bullshit. Enough with the bullshit. Oh, yeah, enough. Everyone, get down! Get down! Get down! I had enough! Alright, I killed everybody. Cool.
But I'm still standing.
Are you flying?
Whoa!
It's Nicole God.
What?
Where do you guys even are, though?
Alif, just so you know, that thing didn't kill me. It made me phase through a building. I'm inside a building now.
What the heck? Where do you guys even are, man? I'm just next to my dog. Oh, I see moose. What the heck?
Where are you guys? Shit! Oh, I saw pink guys. Nice.
Oh shit. Moose, run, Moose. Moose, run.
I saw pink car.
Run. Oh shit.
No, man. Where we're going, we're not running.
Okay, let's walk then.
Wait. Oh, I saw pink car. We need to wait. Whatever it is, you're schizophrenic.
Yes, it's good. What the heck? Bro, I'm in question.
Oh, that's your fault. I'm out of here.
I'm dead.
Where are you, Moose? I'm talking to you now.
Wait, no, I'm out of here.
No.
Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away.
You bitch. I'm a McLaren.
You didn't get me. You didn't get me.
Oh man, if I got you there, that would be so sad.
Hey, Alif.
Bye. I think you broke my wheels. Oh my god. You broke my wheels. You broke my engines. Oh no, that's not good. Where's my favorite car? It's the most. Oh my. Oh.
Shit. Get me out of here.
Boys, where are you?
Oh, you just missed me, man. You're blind.
Oh, you want me to test you, huh?
No.
Where's this?
You definitely suck at it. No. Alif, no. God damn it, no.
He blew me up.
Oh hey Moose. Look my boom car. Pretty cool, right?
I drive. Get out of here. Bro, I live behind this.
Oh shit, it is? Oh shit, we gotta run.
There's a bomb. Yes, a bomb. I am a going guy. Where are you?
We're running, bro. Oh shit, I saw him.
Go away. I survived.
Oh, you survived. Okay, good.
Your sacrifice will not be in vain.
I'm coming back for a second, but this time with more power and precision.
Hey Moose, where are you?
Oh shit. Please tell me that's not it. No!
Oh wait, he died.
Let me get out the bed. Let me get out the bed.
Alright, get in my green one. It's not nothing too suspicious.
Wait a minute. I'm just kidding.
Wait, what do you mean?
You're not gonna kidnap me, are you?
No, I'm.
What just happened? Oh, no, my...
Bro, come here, bro. I'm not gonna shoot you.
You just shot me.
No, I was giving you a head. Yeah.
me, Olive's gonna appear in this lane. He's here.
Oh my god. Okay, we gotta run, bro. We gotta run. Run.
Wait, I don't know.
Oh, that's an empty car. That's it.
Wait, is that? Oh, that is Olive. Oh, oops. Gotta skedaddle.
Wait. I think I saw something.
No,
I saw
Olive.
guy with
Oh.
one hand on it. Oh,
No,
baby,
no,
the photo. Get over here, guys.
We gotta push it.
Run.
We gotta push it.
Run, Moose, run.
We gotta book it.
Moose, no, Moose. Moose, no. Okay. Oh shit! He's dead! He's dead! Okay. Oh my god, he was right there. He was actually right there.
Bro, I kid you not. I'm actually terrified. I'm terrified.
Wait, I saw something.
I
said
saw.
run.
No.
I saw.
No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, we're still alive.
We're still
We're
alive.
still alive,
Oh my god. No. John, get in. Jake, get in, man. Get on.
Wait. Oh my god. Go.
Go. Come on, man.
Bro, was terrified.
God damn it! Get on the van!
What is
Get
that?
on the van!
Stop moving!
I'm not moving. You're clipping through. We gotta get a new van. We gotta get a new vehicle. We gotta get a new vehicle.
Wait.
Get out.
Oh, you guys lucky I spawned you.
Oh,
You're lucky.
He's dead! He's dead!
Oh,
He's about to change us, Moose. We're dead.
no, we're not dying anytime soon.
Hold on, let me shoot him off actually.
Yeah. Back up. Back me up.
Oh my god, I actually fucking saw him.
Let's go.
Get away, you fucking.
No, done. Get on.
No, Moose. Let me. Oh my god, I shake him. Oh my god, I shake him. Go.
Did you guys survive? We survived.
We survived. I just killed you, bro.
You just shoot me 10,000 times. That's great.
Run, Moose, run.
I feel like we're safe.
We seem like, yeah, we safe. In 5 seconds.
Wait, I saw something.
No,
I saw
you were actually
I
right. How you were actually right in 5 seconds? I just saw Olive, man.
Bro, what the heck?
Oh no! Oh no!
Is somebody
Boys,
dead?
This is your most fun.
No! You can't do this! No! Wait, we survived again.
Oh, what?
When?
What happened? What happened?
He failed. He failed to blow stuff.
What the moment?
You guys actually gonna run right now because I spawned so near to you guys right now.
I'm running.
No.
I'm running.
We're booking it.
Oh my bro.
Gotta get out of here.
No! Oh, I still survived. Okay, that's not bad.
Oh, get on, you two, man. Just get on. No. Hey, what? Wait.
Come here. We gotta run, Moose. We gotta run. Why are you hitting me?
I didn't mean that, but I'm just gonna set some few things. I'm just gonna set some few things. Nothing more and nothing less.
I said I'm stuck.
I'm getting on your vehicle, man. I'm getting on your vehicle.
I can't. Okay, I stopped. Good.
Hey, it's purple.
Yeah, go.
You guys go. I'm just gonna set some bunch of things. Something tells me we shouldn't go here.
Nah, bro. What the heck?
No, we should not. You idiot, man.
Hold on, bro. You wanna what the heck? Get out. Yeah, make your ball, huh? Get out.
Okay, bye, I'll get out. Okay, G.
No. No. I gotta go.
Go, boys, go. Guys, I got a brand new van, guys. Get in my van, guys. It's too big.
Okay, that's so fun.
I don't know.
I'm just gonna run.
No, Olive, taking with you, Olive.
Get your bums faster. Right now. Oh no. Oh no 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 not a great time. Not a great time.
What do you mean?
Not a great time. Okay.
Ale, did you put a bomb in this vehicle?
No, I didn't put anything.
Ah! Oh, it didn't explode. Okay, good.
Okay.
John's not near us, so it's good. I'm just gonna.
I swear to God, if you
Nah, guys, I'm actually like very peaceful now. I never hurt anybody. Taking away downtown, walking fast, walking. No.
Stay right over here. Boss,
I didn't try to do anything. I didn't do anything. Right?
Well, I saw that grenade, dude.
What? You saw what?
What do you guys even do with?
Bro, my God! No, you mean fold?
Sayonara, nerd.
Oh, sayonara.
Oh wait, right. Alright. I'll just spawn a new car. Screw you.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Shit.
Oh shit!
Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing, guys? Kawabanga, bitch. You know what? I don't need this anymore. Get out of here. I need a new car. A car that does not explode in near seconds. Literally.
John, get in the weapon.
When?
Bro, let's just chase
Nah, bro,
it
I'm out
now.
of here. No, what the hell is this?
Bro, let's just chase it now.
I'm the chaser now.
Oh shit!
You didn't do shit.
I'm just wrecking your car, man. That's what I'm doing.
Nah, bro. I'm just like.
Oh God!
Charge! Taking out. He's right there! Alright, let me get my gun.
Oh no!
What was that? What was that?
You're asking me, boy.
Oh my god, how many kilometers are you going right now?
Oh, damn it, John!
No! Oh shit. Where is he? Oh, he's gone.
He's
Okay.
very far.
Yeah.
Mission success.
No.
I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. You got him. You actually got him.
Get out of here. You know what? Fuck it. You gotta wait, bro. You gotta wait. Go.
You guys lucky. Guys.
Wait there, guys, bro. Wait there, guys.
It's gonna be like fast. This is like Fast and
No.
Furious.
No.
No! His car was invisible.
Where did he come from?
His car was invisible.
I am Warren here. I am going. And I'm going. My God.
Man, I can't believe we got away from that terrorist.
We can do anything with family.
Man, I guess you're right.
Guys, go!
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you like and subscribe. Subscribe to Moose and Mr. MLB Plays over there. And we see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Oh, I missed.
Over there.
Fucking suck.
Oh, I missed. I missed.
You still miss.
Oh, you're not doing your job.
Oh,
It's supposed to be like this.